Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 2 of Los Angeles. So Sam is in there brushing his teeth.
Good morning.
Good morning. And I'm about to straighten my hair, but I just really started the vlog at a random time. But anyways, I'm so excited because there is blue sky, just barely. It's mostly cloudy, but there is some blue sky out there. So I'm so excited. And I just did my makeup. I'm about to straighten my hair, and then we're gonna be leaving in like 10 minutes. So yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I'm wearing this long sleeve, like purplish blue dress that has a floral print on it. And then I'm just wearing my white Jack Rogers. And I'm wearing my Kendra Scott earrings, which I had on last night too. I don't know, it seems like really good with the floral print. And then I have a lace, like, bralette on underneath this, and it wasn't intentional for it to be showing, but I don't know, some girls can like pull it off really well, so I was kind of like, oh, okay, what the heck, I'll try it. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Cold out, I don't know, it's like 60 degrees, so it's not really like hot, but it's definitely warmer than it is at home, so I'll take it. And yesterday it rained literally the whole day. Of course, you know, when I come to LA that would happen, but behind the clouds today you can see a little bit of blue, so as long as it doesn't rain, I'm fine with it. So yeah, let's get this day started. Woo. Woo. The cold never bothered me anyway. Anyone who gives me the aux better expect Disney music. So we just made it to downtown LA. That's where we are. I don't know, it really doesn't look that much different than like being in downtown Pittsburgh, other than there being a lot of trees everywhere. It's like a lot more green and prettier, but it's like just I love this. And I know that last night I mentioned that we were gonna be hanging out with Evan and Alejandro, but Alejandro couldn't make it, so we hung out with Evan, and now we are going to pick up Alejandro, and we're gonna go to Griffith, which is an observatory, right? Right?
Yep.
I use the wrong words a lot, so I was just checking. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up Alejandro, and then you guys can meet him if he wants to be in the vlog. Guys, this is Alejandro. We were talking about him earlier. So we were gonna go up to the observatory, but parking was really bad, and we're gonna go back when it's nighttime. Yeah, Sam was scared, so we didn't go. We didn't go. So we're in Beverly Hills now. We're at the sign just taking pictures, and we're gonna go get some food.
But I'm trying to get her to go to the Black Dahlia murder house.
I'd be okay with that.
Sam is too scared to go.
No, like I'd really be okay with that.
I'm not
I like
afraid.
scary stuff.
You should tell your viewers to like take a poll, like Hotel Cecile, Black Dahlia House, or like the Death like, Museum.
What would the poll be though? Like
Venice
Which
Beach.
one would you do? And then like Sam's there, like Venice Beach.
Yeah, I guess if you had to do any of those, which would you pick? I'd choose all of them. I'd be down for all of them.
Venice Beach.
Well, we can do Venice Beach too. You missed. Yeah, we found the love wall. It's like right across from the Beverly Hills sign. So we're gonna take pictures in front of it because we're millennials. Woo!
I'm so hungry.
Okay, we can get food when we're done. So the pink wall apparently is on the side of Alfred. So we got coffee. And
I think we can walk.
no, it says don't walk. I'm too scared to do that, I'm sorry. Anyway, so we got Alfred, and it's very, very good, and I see why all the YouTubers go there now. And there's a really cute dog, but he keeps barking.
Weed is the overall stench.
I'm glad I vlogged that. Weed is the overall stench. Ooh, I love the smell of spray paint. That's probably bad.
Sun.
The skies are a little blue. Alright, I need to take these off.
I tell you what, I love LA.
You made it to the West Coast.
Literally. The trees, that's so cool. Have touched the West Coast, like quite literally. This makes me so happy. The ocean is one of my favorite things in the entire world.
Oh my God, it's so cold.
What?
It's so cold.
Oh, please. This is the first time I've seen the sun the entire time we've been here. This is the very first time the sun has come out. Oh, this is amazing. The sun feels so good. The California sun. Oh my god, the difference in temperature too. Like the sun makes it feel so much warmer. What you doing, Sam? What is...
Are you shy? Are you too shy? It's not coming out?
Sam's being in a bush and a car just started coming. So we've been driving through... Oh God, I'm so happy that the sun came out. So we were driving through Malibu, and I guess, are we still in Malibu? Is this still... What is my hair? What is my hair? Anyways, so yeah. This is the current view. This guy has just been driving up and down. He has driven past us like 5 times now. Anyways, so yeah, we just pulled over. It's like super windy roads like all throughout the hills, and we pulled over because I'm gonna drive for a little bit, switch things up. So yeah, this is just amazing. Life is great sometimes. Alright, so we just pulled over on the side of the road because Sam agreed to running into the water in his underwear. This is...
Lost the bet.
He has to hold everyone accountable for this, so... He didn't lose the bet, he volunteered. What is happening? Woo!
Oh my god.
Wait, give me your glasses.
No, you can't lose another pair. Don't drown. I'm not a certified lifeguard.
I'm certified to do CPR, so.
I'm not gonna go under.
The first thing you did.
How'd it feel? Ew, what are those?
Those are like the things that are on the seaweed?
No, that squishy looking thing? Ew, they're everywhere. Ew. Ugh.
Yeah, you turn to go, go.
Huh?
I am believing that you're in love with me.
Okay, so we ended up going to actually, oh, well, we dropped off Alejandro, and then we watched the sunset from the, what is it called, the Intercontinental, or just the Continental?
Yeah, the Intercontinental.
Okay, and I actually did a time lapse of the sunset, so I'll go ahead and insert that now. And then we came back to Griffith since we couldn't get in earlier, and we actually got a really good parking spot. So we figured it would be cool to come see the city like from up here at night, since you can see all the lights and everything. And it's crazy like how big the city is. Wow, I look so crazy right now. My hair is such a mess from like being at the beach and driving with the windows down and everything. We just got back to our Airbnb and it's like 9 o'clock, but it feels like it's midnight from home time. So I think I'm gonna just end the vlog here. I hope that you guys liked it, and obviously I'm gonna continue to vlog tomorrow for the rest of our trip. So I hope that you guys liked today's version of the vlog. It was so cool to just like drive around and see so much of the city. Like we saw Malibu, we saw Venice, we saw Santa Monica, we were downtown in LA, and like, I don't know, everything was just really, really amazing today. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to talk to you in my next vlog. Bye!